Hey guys, Jason Catron here.
Katie Talbot.
And we are Vocal Lab
Collective.
Today, we're going to have some fun, I do feel.
Yeah, I feel too.
We're going to have fun because we're doing some Cardi B.
Cardi B, my girl. I've always loved her.
She's so crazy great.
She's the first one I just want to, when it comes to getting ready to go out, listen, as a mom of two, are you kidding?
No, I know.
I put on Cardi B because she can relate as a mother.
Yeah, you also a little ratchet.
Well, just a little bit.
Yeah.
Just a little bit. But she brings it back out.
You know, I'm sure there's some Cardi B haters out there because she is so confident. She's in your face and she pushes buttons. But that's okay. We need our buttons pushed a little bit.
We need our bush buttons.
You have to put that in there. Yes. After watching this video, that's going to be the theme. Have your bush button. Here we go. Let's listen to some Cardi
girl.
B.
Take us there. Take us there.
She is going to take
This is up, by the way.
She got those Louis Vuittons on.
She does.
Whoa, she already hanging out.
R.I.P. 2020. Crosses in the hair.
She's playing that religious card from the top. That outfit's sick. Okay, now she's more wholesome. What? Nope.
Nope. She's just wearing white.
Oh, God. Oh, Lord. Oh,
Hang on. Broke boys don't deserve... You're so...
My mom can't watch this.
You're so nervous. I don't think my mom even knows how to use YouTube. Oh my gosh. But, you know, I will back her up here though, okay?
Tell her. I mean, she is backing it up. That's for sure.
She is backing it up very well. But for one thing, a man who doesn't work and a man who doesn't go after it and can't supply a life for a woman and a family, like, you're asking to just kind of get dumped to the wayside. So,
what do you think about this vocal, though?
Oh, she's so on it with, if we're going to get, like, super into the vocally thing, because we are vocal coaches, we should do that.
We should.
We should be professional in life.
But
articulation is key for her.
Articulation!
And I actually go to her for a lot of my students who might have, like, a quick melody or a lot of lyrics in their melody. Because she's so good. She's so incredible.
Good. She really is.
And she's unapologetically her.
Yes.
And you guys always know I go for the artists and the singers that are just them. And I think that's so great.
You're right. It's right. She's
right.
like,
I'm right.
she's, always. To me, it's like her and Nicki Minaj. They own this space. And they're so different. They're not the same thing at all.
No.
But yet there are some similarities in how they just... Again, the confidence, the sass, the articulation, all those things that make them just so good at what they do.
1000%.
Here we go. Back at it. Come on, Cardi. Oh, I've seen you dance like that. Oh my God. Katie's gonna get it. Okay. Oh, gosh.
Oh, that's a placement ad.
Oh, there's so much going on here, Katie.
Okay.
That was a placement ad for Adam and Eve, sexual toys.
I thought you were going to bring us into scripture for a second.
And listen, she is writing this religious line so hard right now. There's so many innuendos flying.
The religious line.
But no.
No, what a religious line.
She's had crosses. She's been on the grave. She's like had these very overtly religious symbols happening. Right now, she's making out with all these women.
Yeah.
Look at that cup.
Babies do that too.
No. These dances are legit. You know what? This song too. Wow, look at that. That's so cool. How did they form that? Like, it was like a double dance line.
Did you notice I was away?
I did feel the difference.
You felt empty.
I did feel empty. It hurt actually.
You're
welcome.
welcome.
Glad you're back. That dance line though, they were like
crazy.
It was like 2 levels. That was so sick. Also, like just the syncopation and the cadence in this
100%
is so freaking catchy.
So with this too, I'm always blown away by hip hop and pop artists and R&B artists who can dance like crazy and sing. That stamina it blows my mind.
It's so cool.
She's incredible.
Also, like there's some thighs up in here.
Oh yes,
they're not afraid.
Thank you. They're not afraid. Oh, she's see-through. She's see-through.
She got that chant. Whoa.
Look at the stairs.
That's beautiful.
Okay. Can I just say, as a woman,
this has to have a parental warning on it. Yes.
Can I just say, as a woman,
you are a woman.
So I am a woman.
We've established this.
Her body figure is amazing. She is so beautifully curvy. She's so fit. She owns it, but as she should, as every woman should own her body and be so thankful for what we're capable of. But she's incredible.
Yeah, that's probably the moral of this song, honestly. Just own your body.
Own 100%.
Own it.
And having a body like that makes things go up. Can I say that?
You just did. Back at it.
You got that. You got that. You got that.
There's not enough wine right now.
Balenciaga. Okay. Whoa. One thing that I love about her is that growl that she has. When it comes to her rapping, she's so good at not even just having the rap and having the flow and everything. She puts so much texture and character.
That's actually really true because a lot of rap is just straightforward.
Very. Yeah.
I never thought about that.
No,
that's
she's
really cool.
Really good with that. That growl that she has.
Yeah. Can you do it?
Later.
Okay. Wait, what? Why does it just mean we want to bounce?
Gotta play it safe, no face, no case.
Yeah. Cardi B, you are crazy great. You are fun.
Good. So
you are
fun.
definitely edgy, and I cannot fault you for that at all
No,
because it's
not at
so
all.
good.
She pushed. You know what? That's how you get the legends, because you push the limits.
It's true, and it's not for everyone. Here I say that because it has to be real and authentically you.
Totally.
You know, Madonna was Madonna because it was her.
Right.
Pushing all the boundaries. You know. But then you have, you know, someone like an Adele who doesn't do that and is just so vocally solid and such an amazing artist and writer, you know. So it still always goes back to just being you, because a lot of people out there right now, because I do watch this TikToks now. I watch the TikToks. I try to do it really fast and say TikTok real fast. TikTok really fast.
TikTok, 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 TikTok.
Okay. Oh, good.
Thank you.
But I see what's happening, you know, and a lot of people push that boundary thinking they'll get attention, which you will, but if it's not real and authentic and it's 100%. Not who you are, it's going to fall flat. You're going to be embarrassed.
You can read straight through the people that are trying to be someone besides themselves.
Can you imagine me doing that?
No.
No.
I would love to see you try though.
Can we imagine Katie doing that?
Only because Cardi B brings it out of me.
If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's stuck. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's stuck. Up, then it's up.
I'm so out of breath from that.
Get you one.
Hang on.
Okay, wow. Moments. So that was Cardi B. I think that was pretty fun.
I cannot wait to see you.
We're talking. You say
something.
What?
Let's go ahead and.
No.
Okay.
That was fun.
So fun.
Probably one of the most fun videos we've ever done.
Honestly, Cardi B brings it all the time.
Yeah. Definitely not the most fun we've ever had, though.
We have had some fun.
Yes, we have. We've been friends for a while.
We have.
Yeah.
Anyways, I'm Katie Talbot, the Vocal Lab Collective.
I'm Jason Catron.
Catron?
No. I'm Jason Catron, also with the Vocal Lab Collective.
Are you?
Yeah, because that's what makes it a collective, Katie.
We are a collective.
Otherwise, you would just be Vocal Lab, and I'd be Vocal Lab, and we'd be separate. Vocal Lab separate. We're collective.
Yes.
And we're here to help you, and we're here to do more reactions soon. So we'll see you next time. Until then.
Bye.
Have you ever had an issue with your voice breaking apart? Literally going from your low end to your high end and having that split in the middle? That's called your transition, your passaggio. And I have a program that can help you fix that in 5 easy steps. So, swipe up and order that program now and fix this problem and get your voice on the right track.